Hello students, in this video we will discuss about data warehousing. The data warehousing are just some same thing as database management system, but the difference there. So we will discuss about that difference so you can understand what is the difference between database management system and data warehousing. So this data warehousing is developed by Bill Inman in 1990. It's subject oriented. Here in the data warehousing, we have to collect all the information by subject, by time variant, and it will be non-volatile collection of data. That will be helpful for the analysis of any decision which will be already informed. And that provides also generalized and consolidated views along with OLAP, online and analytical processing. For this purpose, that data warehousing will be so much useful for collecting all the historical data, and by this historical data he can analysis all the decisions which will be informed by the system. Now we will discuss about understanding about the data warehousing. So how we can understand about this? That will be separate from the operational databases, which will be not the frequent updating, that will be just save all the collected data. Means that all the historical data will be collected in one place and that will be used for the future purpose, and by this we can make some strategic decisions also. So I hope now you all understand about the data warehousing. Okay, so now we will discuss about why it will be separate from the data warehouse, separate from the database management system. So as I told you before, the data warehousing is not the updating, no, not the frequent updating, but database for the concurrency control, that will be permanently updating, constant updating databases. Okay, so here that will be well known and particular task, but data warehousing for the complex. Okay, so this is the databases are the well known things and that will be used for the particular task, but data warehouse for the complex things it will be useful. Database for the concurrency control, but here the data warehouse is not for the frequently updating. Online database read and modify, but data warehouse only for the reading purpose and analysis purpose. Online database concurrent data, but data warehouse for the historical data only. Okay, so like this that will be separate from the database. Now we will discuss about database house features. So what are the features are there? That will be subject oriented, means that data where always collect all the data, historical data, by the subject wise. If any problem, any complex problem will be coming on the future, then we can sort very easily that data according to the subject. Next one is integrated. That will be so much integrated data, means that all the data that will be integrated, the form of subject wise, the form of time sites, the form of cases wise. Okay, so like this that all the data will be integrated with each other and we can customize according to our use. Next one is time variant. Every data will be as per the time, means that every time, for example, if we are taking some data for this college, for MIT, like we have to know about how much strength in MIT in MBA students in year 2019. Okay, so how can I know that? We can know about by the dataware, because in the data warehouse we have all the MIT students data by the time. Okay, so in this batch in first year how many students are in MBA? This much. In 2020 how much students are in MBA? This much. In 1998, how much students are in MBA first year? This much. So like this, we can see the data in the data warehouse by the time. Next one is non-volatile. That will be saved, that will be not volatile data. So these are the features of the data warehouse. Now we will discuss about the applications. Now first one is financial services. How it will be financial service? We can check how much profit, how much finance it will be used in the last years for our company. So we can see that we are our profit will be increased or decreased, and how much percentage we are giving in the market, and how much it will be back from the market. So like this financial services we can see. Next one is banking services. In the banking services, how much accounts are there, how much how much money will be going and coming. Like this we can use in the banking services. How much loan it will be coming, how much customers are there, how much accounts will be opened, how much accounts are closed. Like this type of data yearly wise every year, that will be saved in the data ware. So like this we can use in the banking services also. Next one is customer goods. Customer goods means how much data, how much product will be delivered to the customer, how much customer feedback for this product, according to this product how many products are simultaneously going to the every customer, and how much that customer will be uh, happy for us, our products, what type of feedback they are giving. So according to that feedback, what we did in that product. So these type of things are coming on the customers goods also. Next one is retail sectors. In the retail sectors also we can use data warehouse, because all the data will be saved. Next one is controlled manufacturing. Controlled manufacturing, how it will be used as the data warehouse? We can see the data, historical data, that particular this product, it will be too much demand in the recent era. For example, in 2019 to 20, that product will be too much useful and demandable for the customers. So we are making too much product for the next year, because it will be updated and it would be so much useful for the customers. But some data are not used. So why we are making manufacturing that type of product? So we have to control in that manufacture, but which product will be so much demandful, so we have to make productivity and manufacturing will be increased. So like this we can control the manufacturing also. So these type of applications we can use in the data warehouse things. So I hope now you all understand about the data warehouse and how it will be uh, different from the database, and what are the features are there, and what are the applications of the database. Thank you.